Hey guys, it's Miss Tammy. We are now going to make some Hocus Pocus buns. We have crescent rolls, marshmallows, melted butter, and cinnamon sugar. So, what you're going to do is open your crescent rolls, tear them apart. You're going to take your marshmallows, you're going to roll them in the butter, you're going to roll it in the sugar, and then you're going to take your crescent roll, let's move this butter out of the way, put it at the larger end. You're going to tightly roll the marshmallow over, or the crescent roll over the marshmallow, tuck in your backside, and then keep rolling. And so it should be to where you don't see the marshmallow at all. And that keeps your marshmallow from spewing over. So let's do a couple more, and we'll get this pan in the oven. Show you again from the larger end. Tightly roll it over, tuck in the back side, and there we go.
Let's do a couple marshmallows. These are one of the kids' favorite things to eat. You're going to bake these in the oven on 350 for about 12 minutes. Now once you get it all on your pan, do one more.
You're going to take a little bit of the cinnamon sugar, maybe. Get something to wipe my hands off. And you're just going to sprinkle it on the top of them. All right, put them in the oven for 12 minutes. Okay guys, so we've got them out of the oven. This is what they look like. We're gonna take one and actually break it apart for you. Let's see here, do it like this. So when you break it apart, you can't even see the marshmallow. There you go. Hocus Pocus buns. Enjoy.